Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Toys 25cm double dildo. So let's get started. So this is the 25cm double dildo itself. A really impressive size, and it's 25 centimeters total length. Now with this double dildo you can enjoy fantastic stimulation whether you're using it alone or with your partner. It can also be attached to a strap-on harness, which makes this the perfect dildo toy for lesbian couples. You can also go for a solo adventure using the strong suction cup, meaning you can attach it to any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. The double penetration gives you a complete stimulation for an explosive climax. It features a realistic design with a veiny shaft and a rounded head. They're both firm yet flexible for a comfortable feel during use, and they feel very soft and smooth as well. Now, when using this double dildo, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean it after every use. And for this, we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Easy Toys 25cm double dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.